Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton Crypto, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. But before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. What is the most important thing to you when choosing a cryptocurrency exchange? Is it security? Is it ease of use? Is it low fees? Once you've thought about that, let's dive into Newton Crypto and see how it stacks up against the competition. What is Newton Crypto? Newton Crypto is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017. It's headquartered in Toronto, Canada, and it's currently available in over 100 countries. Newton offers a wide range of features, including a user-friendly interface, low fees, a variety of cryptocurrencies to trade, secure storage, 24/7 customer support. What is Newton Crypto most famous for? Newton Crypto is most famous for its low fees. In fact, it's one of the cheapest cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. For example, Newton charges a flat fee of 0.75% per trade, regardless of the size of the trade. This is significantly lower than the fees charged by other exchanges, such as Coinbase, which charges up to 4.5%, and Binance, which charges up to 0.1%. In addition to its low fees, Newton is also known for its user-friendly interface. The platform is easy to navigate, even for beginners. This makes it a great choice for people who are new to cryptocurrency. Security. Security is another important factor to consider when choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Newton takes security very seriously. It uses a number of security measures to protect its users' assets, including two-factor authentication, cold storage, encryption, customer support. Newton also has a good reputation for its customer support. If you have any questions or problems, you can contact their team 24/7. Pros and cons of Newton Crypto. Pros: low fees, user-friendly interface, secure storage, 24/7 customer support, wide variety of cryptocurrencies to trade. Cons: limited number of fiat currencies supported, no staking or DeFi features. Is Newton Crypto right for you? If you're looking for a low-cost, user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange, then Newton Crypto is a good option. However, if you're looking for a platform with more features, such as staking or DeFi, then you may want to consider another exchange. Newton Crypto is a great option for beginners and experienced traders alike. Its low fees, user-friendly interface, and secure storage make it a great choice for anyone looking to buy or sell cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Newton Crypto. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. If you're interested in learning more about Newton Crypto, you can check out their website here, https://www.newton.co. You can also sign up for a free account and start trading today. Additional tips. Before you start trading cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. Be patient and don't try to get rich quick. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.